What is happening? Where is this occurring? Why is this occurring? The Department of Natural Resources, Fish and Wildlife Service enacted the River Otter Reintroduction Program in 1996. Otters are being reintroduced into areas they previously were before they were hunted. They introduced otters into 7 of our nation's watersheds. Otters prefer those types of habitats. This is occurring because of this massive hunt from about 1700 to the early 1900s. Without otters, the habitats they left were heavily damaged because other species overpopulated. Hold up, I'm not done yet. Otters were forced away from their natural habitats, fearing that they would be hunted to extinction.
Who is this affecting and how is this affecting them?
Fishermen are affected by sea otters because they eat lots of shellfish and other fish. 100 sea otters can eat 500,000 to 1 million pounds of abalone,
Sea urchins, lobster, and crab.
What is currently being done to help the sea otters return? How can humans influence the return of sea otters? Why should we take action? There are currently many organizations that protect and reintroduce sea otters back to their original habitats, such as the International Otter Survival Fund, the Otter Project. Humans can influence the return of sea otters in both positive and negative ways. In positive ways, we have made protection organizations that return them to their natural habitats. In 1911, we made the first seal treaty, which makes hunting sea otters illegal. In negative ways, poaching really decreases the number of sea otters in today's ecosystems. Also, if all the otters were gone, the other populations in the sea would blow up in numbers and eat everything
and anything.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Also, there would be less biodiversity, and that's not good. We should take action because sea otters greatly influence the health and stability of the ecosystems in our waters.
What does the future look like?
We think there's going to be more biodiversity and a healthier ecosystem. We believe this because when there were no otters, sea urchins were overpopulated.
All around me are familiar faces.
But when there were otters, there were also new fish, sea stars, and all kinds of biodiversity.
Life Service and the Department of Natural Resources, Fish and Wildlife Service enacted the River Otter reintroduction.
Ryan, get out of the way.
shellfish.
No, we're not.
Reintroduced into areas they previously were. Oh no! Otters. The Department of Natural Resources, Fish and Wildlife Service enacted the river.
Mind the way.
No.
Hi.